Trafft has evolved into one of the most feature-packed booking platforms out there. Think tailor-made booking pages, bookings through QR codes, emails, and even stories. Take advantage of group bookings, automatically assigned employees, virtual sessions, and so much more. Now, to make the most out of Trafft, stay looped in across all of our channels. Our newsletter will keep you informed about monthly feature drops, upcoming deals, and offers that are heading your way. For those who love learning through videos, our YouTube channel is your spot. Tutorials, industry insights, and customer stories all happen there. Prefer your knowledge bite-sized? Our Instagram's got you covered. We drop daily nuggets of wisdom about running service-based businesses. And if you're all about that professional vibe, hop onto LinkedIn. Same great insights, different platform. We wish you many bookings.